So this is a beautiful university. The new medical block. International students will be studying there. So that's a medical block for us. This is a library. The first and the second floor is the library. So this is the seminar hall of DAI NAM University, where the students will have their meetings, they'll have their classes sometimes. If they have, they use the AI to have the classes. So all these are LED screen, and this is 400 seated seminar hall. This is the anatomy department. This is an anatomy class. The students are working here with the simulation. So they are practicing for giving birth to babies.
Hi everyone, I'm Nguyễn Hữu Nhân. I'm head of student affair of the DAI NAM University. Today I will introduce to you something about our office. Here is a student support office, and in the background we have a camera assistant for students. Every day students come and ask for everything when they study in here. And you can see here we have a camera on every classroom.
This is a military court where the students get trained. So they also give training for fitness, for defense, everything. So this is the 8 sharing room. So these are the cupboards for 8 sharing room. So the students can have their clothes and keep their things here. And you also have a loft there, so where they can keep their suitcase and everything. These are the beds. So you have 2 beds. So you have four double cots here. They sleep on a bunker bed. And in between the double cots, you have a shelf. So you have the shelf in between the double cots, so where they can keep their daily use belongings here. And they also have a nice study table in the room and a beautiful balcony. The air conditioner, you have fan, light, and you'll be having a refrigerator, and also you'll be having your washing machine, laundry services, everything in the room. So this is a toilet facility. So you have a separate shower area and a separate toilet. So this is the 6 sharing room. So where 6 students can stay in this room. The students can keep their shoes here, and when you enter the room, you have your wash basin. These are the cupboards. And you have your loft also. And this is a place where the students can study. So they have some PowerPoints to charge their laptops. So these are 3 bunker cots. So every bunker cot has screen here for their privacy. So you have some more shelves here for the students. This is a 6 sharing room. This is also another variety of 4 sharing room. So these are the beds. You have some cupboards. You have storage underneath the bed. So that storage is also available. And you have an air condition. You have study tables. You'll be having a bookshelf here. And you have your wardrobes.